Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zawa Syapohan. I want to review my favorite film, namely The Ugly Stepsister. Why did I choose this film? Because this film presents an action story that makes the audience curious and excited. This film presents a dark version of the classic Cinderella story. Also tells the story of Elsa, who becomes obsessed with being beautiful in order to win the prince's heart, and she goes to extreme lengths to achieve it. This is my favorite scene in The Ugly Stepsister.
Henne kommer jag gifta. Den kommer!
This story teaches us not to be overly obsessed with someone to the point of doing anything for them, because in the end it will only harm ourselves. Maybe that's all about my favorite film. See you again.